Now we understood why should we use Redux. Let us now see what actually Redux is. Redux was created by Dan Abramov and Andrew Clark in 2015. So Redux is a third-party library that we can use to manage global state in our web application. And I am saying web application because Redux is actually a complete standalone library that we can use with any framework like Angular, Vue.js, React.js, or even with vanilla JavaScript. In simple terms, you can say it is a predictable state container for JavaScript apps. So here we are having three parts inside this definition: predictable, state container, and JavaScript apps. So if you have a mental model that Redux is tightly coupled only with React, then it is the right time to get rid of it because Redux is used for JavaScript application, which will be including all the libraries and frameworks. Like you can use Redux inside Angular as well as inside Vue.js. In modern web applications, we will have complex tree of components, and components that constantly produce and share data is called as state. And this state is going to store entire application state. If any component requires data, they request the store and in return they get back the data from store. So Redux is a single source of truth for all the data in our JavaScript application. Then comes predictable. Predictable in what way? For example, you add item to cart, clicked on buy now. After that, we will have some actions done behind, and we can easily predict those actions. Like first, item will be packed, then it will be dispatched, and after that, item will be delivered. So here, the changes to our application state become predictable. So in Redux, all the state transitions or all the state changes are explicit, and it is possible to keep track of all of them. So remember, Redux is one of the most loved, confused and hated libraries in React ecosystem. But it relies on single immutable object to store all of the application state. For smaller project, you don't need to use Redux because it will be adding more complexity and lots of boilerplate. But if you are having complex tree of pattern, and during that time if your entire state is decentralized and each and every component managing their own state, then it will become very difficult to manage entire application state, and also you will not be able to understand the application and get the correct result. So during that time you can easily shift to Redux and manage the state in more efficient way.